All right, so I'm back with another fragrance review. This time it's Cartier Baiser Fou. This is an eau de parfum. This retails for about $160, and it's worth every penny, and I'm going to tell you why. So I picked up the gift box. So the gift box comes with a 2.7 ounce bottle. And then it also comes with the roller ball. This is a true roller ball. It's not actually a spray nozzle at the end, so that's kind of something I don't like. And then the metal around here, for this to be so expensive, like, it feels like something you would get from the dollar store, not gonna lie. But it just has the name on it, Cartier Baiser Fou, which means crazy kiss in French. And then it has the emblem right here. Some golden flecks around a white background, like gold foil. It's raised. And then on to the main fragrance. It comes with like a green juice. Again, it has the golden hardware on top of the nozzle, and then it has Cartier embossed or engraved. You can already see that I think it's gonna like tarnish. I'm not a huge fan of the metal they chose to use. It looks really, really, really inexpensive. But this is a perfect example of don't judge a book by its cover, because it has another, like, looks really cheap ruby on top. It has Baiser Fou. But this fragrance lasts all day and all night. I sprayed it last night before I went to bed. It stayed on all night, until I took a shower the next morning. This smells like Valentine's Day. It has notes of fruits and berries, and a synthetic note that the nose for this perfume created, which is white chocolate. So it's going to smell like champagne. It smells like champagne right off the bat to me. And then it develops into a beautiful, gourmand, sophisticated, sexy scent that pretty much smells like chocolate-covered strawberries. This is very beautiful. It lasts all day. People will definitely smell you when you come into the room. So I think this is worth every penny. I was like daydreaming all day about coming back home to smell this fragrance. It's unique, and it's something that you definitely need to add to your collection. So if you can find it, because it's super hard to find, just didn't really catch on, at least here in the States, I don't think. But if you can find it, pick it up. Cartier Baiser Fou.